What's going on, everybody? I'm back with a brand new video, and we are doing a product review. I just thought that I had to wait until to do this because I wanted to see how it worked. So I briefly used the product so I can see how it worked. And so I'm just going to give nothing but the truth and the only truth. So guess what? Guess what we got? We have Kroger's for clean scent, 2 times the cleaning power versus non-concentrated dish soaps. Grease cleaning ultra concentrated dish soap. It is 60 flood ounces, and the price of this was $5.29. So let me just tell y'all a little story about that when I was in the store. Does that say it expires on October 31st, 2024? Because it's December the 10th today. Okay. I didn't think that soap expires like that, but I don't know if that's an actual expiration date. I didn't notice that until now. Uh, let's talk about it. I just ran out of my Dawn spray, the spray one, which I did a review on back in like 2020 or 2021. I think I did it back in 2020, at the end of 2020, if I'm not mistaken. And y'all know what I was about to literally do? I was about to buy a name brand one when I was in Kroger. I bought this on November 20th. I had to go back and look because I wanted to get the price right. And I just started using it tonight. Today is December the 10th. And all I did was wash out like a little, I had made some sandwiches or whatever. And I had put it inside of a little lunch thing. So I was like, okay. I was like, oh, I just ran out of soap this morning. So I was like, okay, let's go ahead and try the new product. I used it. Guess what? It cleans just as good. And I was like, I was getting ready to pay like $7 or $8 for those other ones that are pricey. I think there was some around, $4, $5. But I thought that this was good because it's still a lot. It's still 60 ounces. And I feel like it's worth the price because I was like, oh, why am I going to get something that's smaller for a bigger price when I can get a 60 flood ounce detergent, excuse me, that's going to last me for, I know this is going to last me it's probably going to last me maybe to like February or March. I'm guessing. I mean, I wash dishes almost every day. I never have that many dishes because I go ahead and get them out of the way. So I'll probably say I'll probably be done with this by March or April. At the latest. March is probably the cutoff time. I don't know. Because honestly, when I have detergent, I have it for a long time. Because it doesn't take much. You pour a little bit, doop, let that be it. I would have showed you the product. I mean, the little lunch little thing that I had, but I'm just like, I mean, I'm just letting y'all know that hey, it gets it clean just as good. I'll be able to use this more in the next few days because I already know I'm about to have some dishes, and I'm probably gonna have to use it in the morning when I eat something. But I thought that the price was definitely good. It says it compares to Dawn Ultra. I mean, I didn't smell it yet. Hold on. Yeah. And it's the Kroger brand. So if you want to try this, $5.29. That's not bad for this big thing. It's really not. It's slightly little. It's not that thick, but it's just enough. So I think it did a very good job. I only washed one thing. So what I did was I kind of put it in the light because what I do is I like to make sure my dishes are clean. So I put the light on the dish just to see if there was any grease or anything residue, because the only thing that I had left was probably like a little mayonnaise or something. So once I washed it out with the sponge, rinsed it out, I looked at it and it was pretty clean. So try it out. You see if you like it. Do you think that this is worth $5.29? I think it is because I don't There's other little bottles that are like 125 or 199 certain places, but 529 for this, for something that's gonna last, because like I said, it doesn't take much. All you got to do is use a little bit. Use this. It's a good price. If I had money like that, I will buy bulks. But I try to buy certain stuff that I can use for a while. So this will last me for a while. So I'm a calculate. I'm also going to see how long it's going to take me to use this. So I remember I bought it November 20th. So yeah. Uh, until next time, tell me what you think about this review. Have you had this product, or have you tried it, and what do you think it's giving? Do you think it's worth it? So yeah. Until next time, peace and love.